Hey Manny, so I just wanted to go over some things you can do to get people to find you. The first thing I wanted to go over is when I Google your business name, nothing shows up. So I don't know if you've actually established the LLC. It seems like you have. It seems like this is your business. But there are some things you can do to definitely change that. You want to be able to show up when people Google you because otherwise, it looks like your company doesn't exist. So the first thing you're going to want to do is create a Google My Business listing. That's what these are. It's a profile to show up when someone Googles your business. And you want to fully fill it out. So obviously the business name, you want a phone number, hours, even if you don't have dead set hours, just put something in there. Fill it out as much as possible. Upload pictures every time you finish a job, post them to here, as well as your Instagram. Um, get some reviews if you can. Obviously, this guy has a lot of bad reviews, which isn't good. So that kind of like ruins trust. So get friends and family members to leave some reviews for you. You can write a description. So it says, I don't know, I think it's like 700 characters. You want to fill out all 700 characters. Make sure it's as filled out as possible. The more you put on this, the more willing Google is to put you towards the top. You can even post to it. So like whatever you're posting on Instagram, post to this listing as well. So when people are searching for something like home improvement company in Detroit or wherever it is, they're going to call and contact these businesses first. The websites below, these are called the organic. Same things apply. You definitely want to be on the front page, if not at least in the top three. Obviously, that can't happen if you don't have a website. First one listed here is Angie's List, Home Advisor. I don't really care about them. This is actually a directory as well. Thumbtack. Okay, so those are all just directories up there. But the first local business I want to go over is this one, DetroitBuild.com. So we can see it's a pretty nice website. They've got a decent amount of content on here, right? A lot of words. And they have keywords, which is the next thing I want to go over. So when someone is searching for a home renovation company, they're probably going to search home improvement company Detroit, home renovation Detroit, home whatever it is, home remodeling Detroit or Michigan or wherever it is you're trying to target. So people are going to be searching those things. And if you have those exact phrases on your website multiple times, it's going to make Google much more willing to put you towards the top because you're relevant. Ranking is all about relevancy and expert. If you look like an expert and you're very relevant to the search, Google is going to put you towards the top. I think people are an expert when they have more content on their page. So if you have at least 1,500 words on there, that's a good medium because one, that's going to show that you know what you're talking about, you have a lot to talk about, and two, it's going to beat out most of the competition. So if your competitors have like 500 words, you want 1,000. If your competitors have 1,500 words, you want 2,000. So 1,500 words is a good happy medium to beat out the competition and to also show Google that you know what you're doing. So let's take a look. This is a paid program I use to research websites called Ahrefs, and I went ahead and put them into here so we can see what you would be up against with a website. These two ratings, a UR and a DR rating, are really important and they kind of show where you're going to fall in the search results. So this is a URL rating and it's essentially how much Google trusts your website, and this is how powerful your website is. These numbers are generally raised by backlinks. We can see that there aren't any backlinks here because it's not their homepage, right? It's not just DetroitBuild.com. It's clearly one of their home renovation pages. So that's why you're not really seeing anything here, but they do have these to their homepage because it's powering these numbers. The last thing I want to go over is organic keywords. So these are the keywords that they're targeting and that people are searching like I was talking about before. For example, renovation companies Detroit. There's approximately 50 people that Google that a month. Home remodeling Detroit. There's about 80 people that Google that a month. Home renovation contractors Detroit MI. 30 people, right? And it keeps going. There's quite a bit of, contractors Detroit is 200. There's quite a bit of search volume just for Detroit, right? So if you were to look at some of the surrounding towns and other areas you serve, you could really, really, really get a lot of people finding your website. The more people that find your website, the more people that call you, the more people that call you, the more customers you get. So you can see why it's important to show up for as many words as you can. You're definitely missing out on a big portion of people by not having a website. So you want to definitely want to get a website created. I hope that this was helpful for you, and I look forward to hearing your feedback. Have a great day.